Good morning, everyone. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Got a new drone, obviously. Played with that last night and tried doing it at night. Didn't work out too well. It doesn't navigate very good in dark, and you can't really see it. You can see the flashing light, but you can't quite make out where it is sometimes. And I wasn't seeing anything with the camera anyway, so it wasn't really worth the chance. So I got back into a good signal area and actually watched a video, and last night when I almost lost it, that would have been very easily fixed. There's a map you can click on and see where it is on the GPS and then fly it back to you using the map. Learned something new. So anyways, just did the sunrise. It was okay, as you saw, but could have been better. If I hung around, I might see the sun pop out behind Washington, but I don't have the time. I'm gonna get up to the trailhead. So today we're gonna head up and hike Monroe and then over to Washington, down the cog. So we should, oh, deer on the side of the road. Jeez, he's just sitting there staring at me. So we'll come down the cog, so we should get some video of the cog today. Hopefully it's the coal one, so we can see lots of smoke and get coal thrown at us. But anyways, see you in a bit on the trail. nice coal. Big ones. Can't get as close to the bottom as coal. Oh, look at the size of that one. Wave to him. This is the one. Woo. Oh, another one. 2 in a row. Woohoo! There's a dance. That's it? Probably stalling. Oh, it did. Look at the moose we found. He's not even running away. I wonder if they say on the train, and over to the right we have a New Hampshire. He's like tied to the tree. There we have it, Monroe and Washington, down the Cog, which wasn't as enjoyable as it is in the wintertime. It was rocky, loose. I actually fell, but got it done. Yeah, it's like a house window too. Hey, good morning everybody. Just pulled into a great spot to make some breakfast. Kind of brutalized my Ploizo because I still haven't bought a spatula. Found a nice cabinet on the side of the road for free. It actually has a sink up there, but that's going in a dumpster somewhere. I'm gonna put a counter on this because I have not had time to build this whole cabinet section, and I got to put rear brakes all the way around on this van and shocks, so that's going to probably take up most of my spare time this week. So I'm just going to cut a piece of plywood to fit on top of here. Actually, I may put it on hinges, and then because there's a lot of wasted space that would be in here, and then maybe put a shelf in here and then open it up a little bit so I can put some storage under there. Maybe hide some stuff. Now that I said that on YouTube, I guess that's not gonna work. But anyways, check this spot out. I pulled the drone out and flew it over this pond, I guess. I don't even know where I am, and I wouldn't say it anyways because it's a local area and it doesn't need any more attention. But anyways, I am going to eat my breakfast. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching my weekend, most of my weekend adventure. Yesterday I went up Mount Jefferson, which was the next mountain over from Washington. I didn't film it. I barely took any pictures. I basically was challenging myself to get up Caps Ridge, and I wanted to do it in an hour. It took me an hour and 15 minutes. It's about 4,000 feet of elevation, and not many miles, maybe like 2.5 miles, but it's pretty steep, scrambles and stuff. So I didn't make my personal challenge, but there's always next time. And then I kind of went down into the Great Gulf Wilderness, picked some berries for my dad to try, because he, growing up, he always told me, red, you're dead. Don't eat red berries from the woods, blah, blah, blah. And it seems like all the good berries that I like are red. So I brought some home from him. Didn't seem to be a hit. I don't know if it's because he was nervous about eating them, didn't trust me, or if he didn't like them. But anyways, and then, yeah, I went up, obviously crashed at my parents' house last night because I had to bring my dad the berries and see my parents. That's it. I think that's it. I'm done. Wow. Haven't had my iced tea yet. No caffeine yet. So anyways, thank you for stopping by. If you like this video, hit like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. You know the routine. Trying to get those subscribers up. I'm gonna go get my pilot's license or whatever they call it for the drone, so I won't be getting a knock on my van door from the what is that? Federal Federal Aircraft Administration, whatever that government three-letter agency is that you never want to hear from in a bad way. So that would cover me if I ever make any money on YouTube, but you know, I don't. So right now, sorry FFA, I am not using this drone for commercial uses because I'm not making a god darn dime off it. Unless you buy the drone. I'll put the link for the drone below, and if you buy it, I will make some proceeds off of that. But is that technically making money off of flying the drone, the footage from the drone? I don't know. Who knows? It's federal law. You're not supposed to understand unless you're a lawyer. So anyways, Anthony, I'll see you out there. Enjoy catching up with everybody on the trail that say, hey, you're a trail slipper, or actually some of them refer to me as Hiking Herbivore, which was my original name when I first started the YouTube channel, and then I transformed, got a trail name, transformed over to that. So it's Trail Slipper now, or just Anthony, or call me Shithead. Call me anything but late for dinner. You know how that saying goes, that stereotype with the Italians I've heard my whole life. You know, it's pasta day, Prince Pasta Wednesday or something like that, even though Prince Pasta turned into 5 days, or maybe 7 days a week. I don't remember. I don't watch TV. But anyways, enough babbling. Catch you out there.